Diamond guest with Carnival, you get invited once per cruise to the Diamond Party. This is what the invitation looks like. You're invited, BIFP Club. And this particular one is on Sunday at the Steakhouse at 11:30 a.m. We will, of course, take you with us so you can check it out and see what they're going to serve. Normally they have some type of lunch that has a steak, drinks, a lot of good stuff. We'll see.
Entertainment Director, Anna. They say my right arm. What they say normally? The second in command, Staff Captain Salvatore. And last but not least, responsible for all the hotel operation, your and our hotel director, Cem. I forgot to say that my name is Claudio, by the way. We hope you enjoy the fun we still have in store for you. And if I don't see you around, have a safe journey home tomorrow. Arrivederci, thank you very much. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
We are on the Lido Deck at the Il Mercato. Christina just got a
whatever this is called, and a
Cuban Mixto.
Cuban Mixto.
I think that's like a Southwest chicken wrap, maybe?
Oh, Southwest chicken wrap, yeah.
Yeah.
And this has pickles and ham and roast beef.
And how is it?
They're both very good.
And I got something that was, some would say boring, but actually kind of tasty. And that is a mustard all beef hot dog on a regular bun.
And these chips that they also provide are very good. They're like homemade, they're crispy, they're crunchy, they've got good flavor. I enjoy them.
Nice. And people, it is a beautiful day. They closed the roof here, but it is nice and warm inside. And people are down here swimming, having the best of times. That's the Pickle Bar across the way. And the Coco, another bar. And Guy's Burgers right below us. And Java Blue right over there and down one level. All right, we're gonna have a snack. And then we'll probably head back over to the Amari Bar to see our favorite bartender, Cornelius. And our new favorite bartender, Olivia.
Bartenders.
Bartenders?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Okay, now we're
music.
going to enjoy the party too.
Oh, you should ask for your chocolatini thing that you wanted. Hey there. So we just went to Guy's Burger Joint and we noticed that they had a new burger on the cruise that was called the Celebration Key Pulled Pork Burger. It has coleslaw, pulled pork, and white onions on it. So we're gonna give this a shot, see how it tastes. It sounds like this is gonna be a staple in the Celebration Key offerings for burgers. So we'll get a little sneak peek on how it tastes on the Carnival Firenze. I just finished the Celebration Key Guy's Burger. I can't say I recommend it. It's not bad, but I don't care for the coleslaw. The pineapple salsa was actually really good, but overall, my recommendation continues to be a straight up Guy's Burger. I don't care which ship you're on, that's the one to go with.
We are at Java Blue, and I got a slice of the chocolate cake, and I'm gonna see if it's worth the extra upcharge or not. I also got a cafe latte, so hopefully it'll be a good combination. I'll let you know. I have tried the chocolate cake from the Java Blue Cafe, and it's actually pretty good. I had tried it before on a different ship, and it was kind of dry, so I was a little hesitant to try it again, but it was actually pretty tasty. I paired it with a cafe latte, which is very hot to drink, but paired with the cake very well. I also was doing my Sudoku as I was eating my cake. You can get a new Sudoku puzzle every morning at the Java Blue Cafe, something to keep your mind active and busy while you're on vacation.
Just got back to our cabin on the Carnival Firenze, and we got this cool little crab dude, towel animal. Unfortunately, this is our last night on the ship, and we debark tomorrow morning in Long Beach, but wanted to share this little guy with you, and we'll see you on the next one.